Our passion is establishing creative partnerships. We strive to marry form and function in the most practical and beautiful way possible. It is our objective to provide intentionally tailored design, craftsmanship, and service throughout every step of the process. Actualize your vision.